Now, the next methodology that we have is our advanced integration mapping tool. And this one is actually applicable to vertical booking, as well as our advanced iHotelier connection and our Synexus enhanced tool as well. So if you have upgraded your uh, connectivity partner with TravelClick iHotelier to the advanced connection, or if you have upgraded your Synexus connection to the enhanced connectivity partner, this integration mapping tool will apply for you. Step one and step two for this type of integration rate mapping are the same. So step one means that you're going to create the rate on the third-party platform. So you'll create the rate in Vertical Booking or TravelClick iHotelier or Synexus Enhanced. Step number two is to create the rate in Roomkey. And again, you're going to include that GDS channel and the client type. And then step number three, you're actually going to remain in Roomkey in the Rate Wizard, and you're going to use the integration mapping button in the Rate Wizard to complete the rate mapping. Now I have a video clip here. It's about 4 minutes in length. That is actually from one of our previous webinar step-by-step that shows how to use our integration mapping tool with these enhanced and advanced connectivity partners. This is also the same process regardless of the type of connectivity partner you're using. Your first step will be to create your rate plans in your GDS portal. And again, that'll be part of your initial account setup when you sign up with one of these connectivity partners. Once you've created your rate plans on your GDS portal, the next thing you'll do is in Roomkey, you'll complete the integration using the Rate Wizard. Now, a couple things to note. When you open up the Rate Wizard, you will see a new button called Integration Mapping. And as we go through and complete the integration, I want to remind you that you need to match the rate code, market segment, and client type as we go through this setup. So let's take a look at that in Roomkey as well. Pull up my demo database again, and this time I'm going to go to System Configuration and Rate Wizard. Here in the Rate Wizard, you'll see a list of all of your rate plans with the rate name listed in the first column and the rate code appearing in the second column. Now, if you have a Rate Wizard where rates appear without a rate code, you will need to add in a rate code for each of your rate plans. To do that, you will use the Edit button, the pen and paper symbol in the lower left-hand corner. You can edit your rate code in the rate code field and add a rate code to any that are missing. Now, while we're here as well, I want to note the market segment that is attached for each of these rate plans. This must be the same market segment that is attached to the rate plans that you build in your GDS portal. So once you have ensured that all of your rate plans have a rate code, and you verified or confirmed the market segment that is selected for each of those as you build those plans in the GDS portal, you can then click the Integration Mapping button. This appears at the bottom of the Rate Wizard, and when it opens up, this will give you a pop-up that will allow you to map all of the rates that are distributed to the GDS channel. So you'll notice that this list may be smaller than the list of all rate plans built in the Rate Wizard. And that's because this list in the Integration Mapping window will only show rates that are distributed to the GDS channel. So in this case, I do see the best available rate appears here in the pop-up, but my best available rate for monthly and weekly billing do not appear because those are not distributed to the GDS channel. So to complete the mapping for these rate plans, in the top left corner, you'll select your integration partner. In this case, I'll use iHotelier as the example. And then in the client type field, you'll select the client type exactly as it is connected in the Rate Wizard. So for this example, my best available rate is connected to my leisure client type. And you'll go through and do that for each of the client type, each of the rate plans that are listed here. Now, as you get to any rate plans that are distributed through a third party that may have an OTA or online travel agent client type, these may also have a corporate account attached. So when I select the OTA Hotel Collect client type for my Booking.com rate, you'll notice that I now have the ability to also select the attached corporate account. In this case, I know that the account that is attached is my Booking.com corporate account. So you'll do that for all applicable rate plans as well. Now you may have different corporate accounts that you select. So for example, with my Expedia prepaid prepaid rate plan, I would select the OTA prepaid client type. And for my corporate account, I'll select the Expedia prepaid corporate account. So you need to make sure that all of your rate plans here are connected with a client type and a corporate account if applicable. Once you've gone through your entire list here, you would click Update Integrations, and that will save the integration mapping for you. So back to our presentation here, that would be the completion of setting up the rate plan integration.
Great. So like I said, that is a short clip just from one of our previous webinars on two-way rate mapping and integration using our vertical booking, TravelClick iHotelier Advanced, and Synexus Enhanced connectivity partners.